Show it here, Edway.
But I wanna like unbox my grill today.
Eliza, you don't want to show your gift?
What? Tools?
Say happy birthday, Edway.
No. The one
Happy
that's
birthday, Edway.
happy birthday, Edwin.
So look at the camera and say happy birthday, Edway.
Happy birthday, Edwin. I'm not gonna put it. No, but I wanna open this.
Friday, Eliza. Yeah.
No.
You already know
How about
what
on
it is.
Thursday?